In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Notebooklm to make a podcast. Start by opening your web browser and going to the Notebooklm website. Once the page loads, take a moment to look at the main dashboard. This is where you create and manage your notebooks, and each notebook is like a workspace where you collect sources and generate content from them. Next, create a new notebook. On the dashboard, click the button that says Create New. This opens a fresh notebook so you can keep this podcast project organized and separate from anything else you are working on. Now it is time to add your material. In the pop-up window, choose the sources you want Notebooklm to use. You can upload PDFs, paste YouTube links, or select files from your drive. As you add these, they will populate the source panel on the left side of your screen. This panel is important because the audio it generates will be based on the information contained in these sources. A helpful tip here is to choose sources that are clearly written and focused on the topic you want, since cleaner input usually leads to clearer audio. Before you generate the podcast, you have an optional customization step. Look for the pencil icon. Clicking it lets you provide specific instructions for the audio. For example, you can tell it to focus on a particular topic within your sources, set the language, and choose the length, such as short, default, or long. You can also pick a format, like deep dive or critique. Keep your instructions direct and specific, because that helps the system produce a podcast that matches your goal. When you are ready, find the audio overview button and click it. Notebooklm will begin generating the audio podcast automatically. This process can take a little time, so be patient and let it finish. Avoid closing the tab while it is working so the generation can complete smoothly. Once it is done, you can listen to the podcast right there in your notebook to review it. If you like the result, download it as an MP3 file for easy uploading to other platforms or share it using a public link. Always listen through once before sharing, just to confirm the pacing and content match what you intended. That covers everything you need to know.